So this is a really cool feature that will save you heaps of time. It's called text substitution, and it basically substitutes words from a list with other words. So for example, when you type in the letter C in brackets, you can see that it's automatically changed it to the copyright symbol. That's because it's included in the text substitution list. So to access this list, click on Tools, then go down to Preferences and click on Substitutions. So this is the list of substitutions that Google has applied already. And you can see here is the copyright example that we've just used. So to add any abbreviation that you like, you simply type it in the Replace box and add in the correct wording in the With box. So for example, we could type in GDocs in the Replace box, and we want it to be replaced with the long form version of Google Docs in the With box. You can also use this to add in any words that you know you always spell incorrectly. Add it in here and it will automatically change the next time you spell that word wrong. Once you go back into this, any that you add will be listed at the very bottom of the list. If you want to remove any of the substitutions, then just simply click on the cross here to the right of the word and it will remove the whole thing. And one final thing to check is to make sure that the automatic substitution box here is checked before you finish. Once you're happy, click OK. And anything that you add into this text substitutions will carry across all of your docs and slides for that particular Google account. So let's give this a try. One thing to note is that depending on the letter case that you type the abbreviated or incorrect word in, it will affect the capitalization of that correct word. So for example, if I type in GDocs here in space, that was all in lowercase, and you can see that it's typed Google Docs in lowercase. If we now type it in capitals, when I press space, the Google Docs is actually all in capitals. So that's just a real quick way of saving a little bit of time when you're typing out all of your documents. And job done.